All right. Hello, everybody. We are back with a roguelike slash RPG game. The next step is going to be getting some bullets into our project, and we've already done that video. That was for the Pew Pew game. It's really what made it a Pew Pew game. Without bullets, you can't go pew pew. So I'm just going to steal that stuff out of that project. I'm going to grab my Pew Pew game. I'm going to bring it over, and I invite you to do the same. I'll just mention while I'm doing this, because I gotta talk, or do something, that I guess I'm gonna make a new tab, and I've been organizing my tabs. The way it works is it works with capitalization and then alphabetical order. So I have my mode framework tabs with capital A, B, C, D, E, and so on, and then my other tabs for classes, I've just been using lowercase letters, and I've been putting in whatever their name is. That way, the mode framework and the class tabs are separated. So that's what I'm doing. Here's a bullet, and I'm gonna just paste that in. Good old bullets are pretty straightforward, and a whole video on how that works. There's also the stuff that makes the bullets work on this side of the project. So I'll also grab all those details as well. So we're going to need to have, for example, the array list of bullets. And we're going to have to instantiate them. Actually, it might be faster just to type it out. I don't know. I'll put, here's my array list of bullets in setup. Actually, I think I'll go back and forth just so you can see that, in fact, I'm doing nothing new. Back to the Pew Pew game. Here we are instantiating, which just means creating the list. Yeah, I don't really have a good place. I haven't really organized my setup too nicely. I'll just stick it at the bottom, I guess. And once we've made our list, we have to, somewhere in our mode framework, animate the bullets that are in the list. So that's going to be in the play function during the game. So in addition to drawing the room and drawing the exits and managing the hero, we'll also manage the bullets. So I'll put in here, manage the bullets. And oops, we'll go back to Pew Pew game and just grab that loop that will loop through all of our bullets and tell each one to show an act and go to the next one or remove. Nice. So that's that. We also have to be able to shoot bullets. So that has to do with the mouse pressed function. So if we go back to Pew Pew game, there's probably a mouse pressed function that is figuring out what direction to send the bullet at and stuff. Oh, this looks actually pretty fancy. I think I was playing around with my kids and we were making fancy bullets. So don't have to do this. This makes for multiple bullets. If you're curious, you're welcome to see what that code actually does with rotations and stuff. I didn't mean to make it so fancy though. So we'll go in interactions. So this will be what happens when I click the mouse when it is mode play. So it'll be in play clicks. So in the play tab, I'll go down to play clicks, which right now has nothing in it. And we'll paste that right inside. I don't really want it to be so fancy. Let's see. Oh yeah, I've made mine a little bit on the fancy side. So please feel free to just do it the way it was done in your project. I guess I might as well make it work while I'm here. It doesn't seem to, oh, I brought in a mouse pressed function. I don't need that. Yeah, long story, but you can just use the one that you used. Let's see what this does. I'm not actually sure what it'll do. I think it makes like a cross. It goes, oh yeah, it's gonna make a cross. It goes up by, that's supposed to be 90 degrees, and radians, pi over 2 is 90. So let's see, does it work? Can I move around and shoot bullets? We'll find out. All right, yeah, I can shoot them in sort of an X pattern was what that code ended up doing. And I can go from thing to thing. Yeah, there's an issue though. Check it out. When I go from room to room, the bullets are still around. Ooh, that's not pretty. What are we gonna do? Well, it turns out you could clear all the bullets that are in the list when we shift from one room to the next. So that's going to be a big deal. Otherwise, you just like spam bullets, like just go back and forth, just like kill everything in the room. You just never can get hit. You just always got bullets on the screen. That's no good. So how do you get rid of all the bullets that are in the list? Well, the easiest way to do that is when we switch the room, which I believe is under play. In addition to all this stuff with the exits, we could also reset our bullet list. So that code that I said was instantiation. The bullet list equals new array list bullet. We can do that, and it'll recreate the list, which will destroy all the existing bullets inside of the bullet list. So now, if I go and shoot some bullets, here, let's get some bullets going. Pew, 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 pew. I switch over, and all the bullets stop. The whole list is sort of destroyed and created again, which removes all the bullets. So it's going to be a helpful thing to make our game not ridiculously overpowered. Yeah, sound good? So again, check out that Pew Pew video game. I'll put a link. I don't know what I'll do. I'll find it, sure. I'll put a link in the description, and then you can go from there. Okay, thanks everybody.